In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a scanner on ThinkorSwim. So ThinkorSwim Stock Hacker Tools allows you to scan for a stock based on custom criteria, helping you identify trading opportunities efficiently. So as you can see in here, I'm using the web-based ThinkorSwim. So in order to access the scanner features here in ThinkorSwim, you'll need to download the official website, official application of ThinkorSwim. So now, assumingly we've downloaded it and we're using it, so launch ThinkorSwim and log in with your credential and then click on scan in the top menu and then select the stock hacker from the sub menu. And now to set up your scan filters, so listen carefully since I'm unable to show you the exact steps in here. So listen carefully to what I am going to explain so you can follow along. So click add filters to customize your scan and then choose filters such as stock, options, or study. And then after that, customize the scan criteria. Click on each filter to adjust values based on your strategy. Example settings for a high volume breakout stock scan for the stock price. It could be between $5 to $100. And then for the volume, it could be a greater than 1M. And then for the RSI 14 above 70 for a overbought conditions. And then after that, just simply save your scan for a future use. Click on the three lines in the top right corner and then select the save scan query and give it a name so you can now access it anytime from load scan query. And to run the scan and review result, just simply click the scan and ThinkorSwim will generate a list of stocks meeting your criteria and then click on a stock to view charts, news, and fundamentals. And that's it. So that's how to create a scanner on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.